Welcome to Great Bear Tales, an authentic look at the people, places, and stories of the Great Bear Rainforest. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below.
The work that I do, it gives me a great opportunity to get out and basically stretch it out to every inch of the territory. As we're doing these creek walking or CFI, the crew that I take tend to document and photograph and video just for their own personal use anyway. It brings a different experience when you're kind of taking that back home. Rewarding in the sense that you're kind of bringing that identity back. But just coming out doing the field work sparked my interest for documenting more or just bringing in more quality style footage or pictures. I've actually started with the Mavic and some of the other regular DJI drones, but recently I've switched to FPV. FPV stands for first person view. It kind of brings a really neat perspective on your landscape, and if you really kind of understand the controls and get good at it, you can almost take it anywhere you want just by sitting here. So once I get the goggles on, I can hear everything else that's going on, but you're basically immersed into that world. It's like extreme focus. You really start to feel the area or the environment and the location you're in. That's a discovery for me alone. Seeing the vastness of this one island or the vastness of the territory and just picking those places to go and fly. It's just a landscape you've never really seen, from that, unless you're flying in helicopters all the time. A bird's eye view, or you can fly like a hawk if you wanted to.
Thanks for watching Great Bear Tales. If you have any comments, questions, tips for visitors, or just want to share your own story from the Great Bear Rainforest, please leave them below. We read every post. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Great Bear Tales channel. It really does make a difference.